and welcome to University of Toronto Schools. My name is Nandita Bajaj and I'm the head of admissions here. Today I'm going to show you a little bit of our open house.
What's in the world?
There you have it, an incredible open house in under 2 minutes. Our applications for next year are open now. Please apply at utschools.ca/admissions. And if you have any questions about the application process or our wonderful school, call me or email me. I hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.